Welcome to another video from Green Read Technology. In this video we'll be covering a basic automated installation of Citrix Xenserver. To complete the automated installation, we'll be using an answer file in conjunction with the Pixie boot server. We'll be installing Citrix Xenserver 6.0. Our boot server is CentOS. We have Apache installed on the server to serve our source files as well as our answer file. Our DHCP server is a Microsoft Server 2008 server. Here are the following components that we'll be utilizing in our answer file. This is the basic set of components required to complete a generic installation. Here's an example answer file. This is actually the answer file that we'll be using to complete our installation. Alright, let's jump into it. At this point, we've booted our machine via Pixie, and we've connected to our Pixie server, so now we're presented with our boot menu. We're going to go ahead and select the auto install option that we've gone ahead and configured. So at this point, it'll begin booting Xenserver. Alright, at this point we can see that it's actually started to begin the install without us actually having to answer any of the prompts, which is what we're aiming for. And as this installs, this video was meant to show just the very basics of an automated installation. There are a couple more options available from Citrix to be able to configure an automated installation. Things like host name, IP address, name server, NTP server. Um, all of the prompts that appear in the manual install can be configured during the automated install. That, in addition to the ability to run scripts based upon conditions, whether the install fails or whether it completes, to further customize the system. There's also the ability to add drivers as needed, as well as supplemental packs during the automated installation. Alright, so at this point we can see that it's completing the installation. And once it's done with that, it'll go ahead and automatically reboot by itself, and it'll boot into Citrix Xenserver. And here's the reboot. Well, that completes our video on the basic automated installation of Citrix Xenserver. And here's information for the website as well as Twitter account. Thanks for watching the video.